Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a super quick, super easy, super delicious peanut butter buttercream. I'll throw a link to the recipe down below, and because it's going to be so quick, I don't need to ramble so much, so let's go ahead, grab our mixing bowl, and to that we're going to add in our butter, our peanut butter, and our powdered sugar. And on a low speed with our hand mixer, we're just going to gradually and slowly work in all these ingredients together until they are fully combined and incorporated and we have a nice, light, delicious, fluffy texture. Now, if you would like to add a little more stability to your frosting or buttercream, you can always add in about a half cup of vegetable shortening. This way, when you pipe on your buttercream, it won't droop, it won't look so sad, and you just want to keep mixing until you have that nice, light, pale, fluffy color. Once you're all done and everything's combined and it's holding its shape, and you will have your delicious, oh so good, oh so delightful peanut butter buttercream. Just like that. Super easy, right? Well, that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out, lets me know I'm sharing recipes with you guys that you all want to see. And if you like these quick little how-to recipes, definitely let me know below in the comments. And it will, maybe we'll make some more. Or if you have any ideas, be sure to let me know in the comments down below also. And if you make your own delicious peanut butter buttercream and use it in your own chocolate dessert creations in your kitchen, give a tag on Instagram. Let me see what you're baking up. And while you're down there giving this video a thumbs up and checking out that KitchenAid stand mixer giveaway link, don't forget to click on that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any delicious, yummy recipes coming up here on the Man Cake channel. Now I'm gonna go ahead, add this to some chocolate cupcakes I have sitting over here on the counter because they're just begging for some delicious peanut butter buttercream, and I'm gonna grab a cup of coffee, have my cupcake, enjoy the day. I hope you all do the same, and I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.